It's a big crowd today and a really good atmosphere. It's the good old 4-4-2 formation today, a balanced lineup bolstered by a strike partnership up front. Nodded on. Well cut out. Well read. He's got the ball at his feet. Surely now! Goodness me, that was close. Senses a danger and gets it up. It's going to be a double substitution today. He attempts a long pass. Haaland drives forward. Is this a goal? Let's see what comes of this then. Headed effort, but well wide of the margin. This is Rodrigo. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. OSIMHEN with a shot. Costa blocks the shot. Whipped in. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. Aimed towards the penalty spot. And he's forced the goalkeeper into an excellent save. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Oh, he heads wide. The team are going for goal, but they just can't score. Some really fluid passing on display. He's sub! The woodwork keeps it out again. Gets it to safety. This is Haaland. Tries his luck from distance. Costa blocks the shot. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Now he's weighing up his options. A fingertip save. Well, not too many talking points in that opening 45 minutes. Let's hope the half-time... Things are so close. Can this second half result in one team stamping their authority on the game? He's read that one absolutely perfectly. OSIMHEN with a great run. He goes for goal! And that is a fantastic goal. Well, he decided to try his luck from a long way out there, but he connected so sweetly, and the goalkeeper didn't have a prayer. His team. It's not been a great game for them so far. Oh my word, what a finish! He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. The goalkeeper stood no chance. The replay will give us a closer look. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Already losing, they don't want to go further behind, so they best get this away soon. What a chance! Oh, how unlucky! Oh, there's no stopping that. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. A vicious pass. He has a crack from distance. Keeper stopped it. What influence can he have on the pitch? Whipped in. Stunning header. A good goal from the corner. They've practiced that one in training. What an aerial threat this player is. A lovely headed goal. Oh, confident defending. Real with the ball. As you can see from the team's performance, this hasn't been what the manager would have wanted. He's got the goal in his shot. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. That goal, his second of the match. see out the result. OSIMHEN with a shot. Incredible goal here. 2 goals today from this exciting player. Here's a replay of that great goal. OSIMHEN in possession. With the ball. Great dribbling. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. That's his second goal.